Once upon a time, there lived two best friends, Russo and Jack. They were best friends. They decided to go somewhere else. One day, they were going to it 10 into 10:45. They tell to mom and dad, we want to go. Their mom and dad say, okay, you can go. And for a while, they have sleep. They go in a jungle. In a jungle, there is into many days. It passed 2 days pass. Then days pass. And they go and left. They were traveling. They decided to leave now. They go into hospital and they had no petrol, no money and no petrol. They went away only for a moment and they stayed on and they came a well.